Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to center words in a table. First, open your document and navigate to the table you want to edit. Click inside the cell or select multiple cells where you want to center text. Look for the alignment group in your program's ribbon or toolbar. Then, simply click the Center Alignment button. This will horizontally center your text within the selected cell or cells, making your table look much neater and more professional. Beyond basic horizontal centering, you can also center text vertically. Right-click on your selected cell or cells and choose Table Properties or Cell Properties. Navigate to the Cell tab within the Properties window. Here, you'll find options for vertical alignment, such as top, center, and bottom. Select Center for both horizontal and vertical alignment to achieve perfect centering within the cell's boundaries. Sometimes, text might not appear perfectly centered even after applying the settings. This could be due to extra spaces before or after your text, so delete any unnecessary characters. Also, check the cell margins in Table Properties. Large margins can make text seem off-center. If you have a very specific layout need, inserting a small text box into the cell and centering the text within that box can offer more control. To quickly recap, always select the cells you want to modify first. For simple horizontal centering, use the alignment buttons on your toolbar. For more precise control, including vertical centering, dive into the Table Properties or Cell Properties menu. This ensures your table text is perfectly positioned every time. And hey, while you're making your documents look great, don't forget to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.